Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about this tiny machine, DIY screwdriver. Let's get started. I have already a lot of broken servo motor. When I was thinking what we gonna do those servos, I realized when I was work on too many projects, I use a lot of screw and take too much time. So I thinking I need a screwdriver. I remember these servos and then started work. First, this servos, not too much torque and work on just 180 degree. We need to be modified it. We can unscrew servos after cut that gear plug. All circuit board extract. We only need motor and gear. Servo is ready. Second, need two-way motor driver. As you can see schematic on screen. I skipped that circuit board preparing because of already you have schematic. Third, battery and charger. I use 1865 Li-ion battery and BMS integrated TP4056 charger board. I like this board cause of separate from battery in and power out. Fourth, case. This case designed on Fusion 360 by me. All file in description. Also I included CAD file. That means you can customize. Fifth, assembly. Already you can see servo soldered to circuit board. I insert it from the top. I glued in there. I can apply double-side tape to battery and insert it. Lastly, battery charger. I can turn upside to down and insert the case for down. I say it again, doesn't have too much torque, but usable. That's all. See you in next project.